Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods to this smartphone. At the first, you have to open case of your AirPods, just like that. Click and hold back button and move them to the pairing mode. You have to hold that button until this indicator starts blinking on white color. Let's make it. Click hold, and right now we can release. Next, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on your Mi 11. Enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And take a look. Here we have AirPods, so tap on them once. Accept pair. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are successfully connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.